gratitude. Now move your mind and focus on the brain that allows you to understand how to use this computer. Be grateful for your brain and how powerful it is. This technique should not be limited to physical contact or touch. For example, whenever you have a negative thought, choose to stop for just a moment and label the thought as useless and release that negativity. Say out loud, "I release you. I am free." You could even apply mindfulness exercises whenever you smell food. Take a moment to appreciate how lucky you are to have good food to eat and to share with your family and friends. So search for points of contact today that resonate with you. And instead of performing your daily movements with autopilot on, take occasional moments to cultivate awareness and gradually address even the small, repeated gestures that are part of your life. The purpose of this exercise is to cultivate fulfillment for the moment and escape the continuous struggle in which we are all involved. When you are in the process of daily actions that must be done, and you seem to want to finish them quickly and move on to something else, take a moment and rather than wanting to finish a routine in a state of anxiety, accept the routine and concentrate directly on it. Are you feeling more connected and present? More aware of your daily life and of your presence in the world? Now you can easily bring this approach into all of your routines. If you are cleaning your home, pay attention to every detail of what you are doing.